Everyone, it's Agnes, and today I have a meditation using how to impress. Now, this is a request from Moon, a viewer on the channel. So Moon, I'm doing this for you now, so get comfortable in your favorite position, laying or sitting down, and just let go. Close your eyes. Let the day just recede because this is your time to focus on your desire and to develop a stronger line of energy between you and what you want. So we're going to start with the breaths. 6 in for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. Last one with a hold. Breathing in for 4. And hold for 4. And breathing out for 4. Now, with your eyes closed, I want you to bring your awareness to the black screen of your mind behind your forehead. And I'd like you to imagine what it is that you would like to create, what end result you would like, and who you would like that end result with. Now, in your mind's eye, I'd like you to imagine this person sitting on the sand at the water's edge near the ocean. It's a beautiful sunny day, not too hot. You can hear the waves crashing in near their feet as they sit there contemplating and staring at the horizon. Now, as you see them from the back and you walk towards them, you sit next to them and you don't say anything. You can see your feet, bare feet, and you press your heels into the sand to anchor you into this scene. And they're sitting to your left, continuing to stare at the horizon. They are enjoying this beautiful setting just as you are. Now, I want you to remember that they are you pushed out. How they appear in your life is a direct link to how and what you project about them. So with that said, I'd like you to imagine one very clear sentence, a sentence that implies what it is you would like to hear from them. Now I'm going to give you a few moments in the silence to get your sentence together. One sentence about the end result you would like. So you can do that now. And now, with your sentence in mind, as you stare out at the ocean, you're both looking forward, just enjoying the calm of the ocean in and out. You're relaxed, you feel peaceful, and you feel secure. Now, you're not going to say anything to them in your imagination, in your imaginal scene. What you're going to do is using your imaginal ears, you're using your imaginal eyes to see this amazing scene of the ocean, the blue sky, the clouds. You can feel your heels in the sand, and every now and again you can feel the water running up and touching your toes. That you can feel and see. So you can feel it with your imaginal skin, and you can see it with your imaginal eyes. And now you are going to use your imaginal ears. As you sit next to them in the silence, I want you to hear their voice saying to you the exact sentence you want to hear. So just do that once now. And pause and hear that sentence again with your imaginal ears. You hear their voice saying the sentence you want to hear. So do that again now. And pause. And hear that sentence again now. And pause. Now they're still sitting next to you. They're not actually saying anything in the scene. You are hearing this with your imaginal ears in their voice, but they're not actually saying it to you in the scene. You are creating this while you sit on the beach next to them. You're hearing them say it in your imagination. So let's do it again. Hear your sentence now in their voice. And pause. Now breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And again, breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, hear them again say the sentence you want them to hear in their voice. And pause. And hear them say it again. And pause. And we're going to do it 2 more times. Hear the sentence again in their voice. And pause. And last time, hear the sentence you want them to say in their voice with your imaginal ears. And pause. And now feel them reach out their hand. They're using their right hand to squeeze your left hand, and you feel the love, the understanding. And you squeeze their hand back, and you do not exchange words. This is all unspoken. And now they slowly stand up and they turn left and they walk in their bare feet down the beach with the ocean on their right shoulder. And you look at them with your imaginal eyes and you say to yourself, it is done. It is done. My impress has created a line of energy between me and them, energetically, through focus, through impressing, through using my imagination to create. So see them getting smaller and smaller, walking down the beach. You can see they're enjoying the water on their feet. And then you two get up and you turn to your right with your left shoulder facing the ocean. And you walk, enjoying the ocean, the water, coming up onto your feet and then pulling itself back down as you walk along the sand into the distance, looking out your own eyes. Remember, you are in the scene, not seeing yourself as an observer, and you walk into the distance. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And now, just let this scene fade away. Fade into the distance. Let the awareness of this scene behind the screen of your mind, behind your forehead, let it just drop away. And you can come back to it anytime you like to impress some more. So now I'm going to count you out of this meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just slowly bring your awareness back to the room, back to where you're sitting or laying down. Feel the contact of the furniture on your backside or on your back. Bring your awareness back to this room. Be present where you are. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Lots of love, and for those of you that want to know more about impressing, I'm going to put down in the description the other YouTubes that cover this subject. Lots of love, power to your manifesting, and may you enjoy creating that which you desire.